Hi, this is Mark Vila from ColDesi and Coleman and Company, and today we're here to talk about creating decorated sets of masks and t-shirts. And really one of the opportunities that you've got now as a decorated apparel business owner is the opportunity to, for one, to create masks that look really good and match, say, the look of a business. So this right here would be a strong fitness center, and right now they're having their staff and maybe there are even people coming in to patron their business wearing masks and wearing t-shirts, right? So this is an opportunity to create matching sets. What I'm using right here is a VIT mask, and you can find this on colemanandcompany.com. It's a really nice quality material, and it's based off of the VIT, or the very important T. And we're actually going to use the same exact t-shirt set for this, and I highly recommend this combo because you could sell a set that's got matching material, matching looks, and even matching colors. We're going to do a little bit of a cross color here using a pink mask and a black very important tee. So let's go ahead and we'll show you first kind of cutting and weeding some vinyl, and then we'll make a t-shirt and a mask. So here we are, we're going to weed our Triton Heat Transfer Vinyl. And if you haven't worked with Triton before, I would challenge you to give it a try. It's the only vinyl out there that has 100% money back guarantee, which means if you don't like it for any reason, you can just give a call to Coleman and Company and let them know, and you can exchange it or return it. But it weeds really, really well. As you can see, it's super soft. It washes really well. It's really a fantastic product, and if you're going to be decorating high quality t-shirts or masks, this is something you definitely want to give a try. So right here I've got our VIT mask, and this is a nice mask. It's a good material. It's got a kind of a bendable nose there, and I really want to show the importance of being able to apply transfers to a mask, and really using a cap press is the best way to go. If you don't have a cap press now and you find yourself in doing masks, decorating masks, this is a great opportunity for you, because not only can you do caps, but you can really easily do masks, and you see how that perfectly fits on there. And here's the transfer that we created, and it's in two parts because this is vinyl. So we've got one part being glitter and one part being just traditional opaque white vinyl. And I'm just going to go ahead, and what I like to do is put both layers on just so I can see what it's going to look like and make sure my placement's comfortable. So that's about where it's going to be. Now, when decorating masks, just like t-shirts, right? Typically, what we do on t-shirts, and when you're new, that you make the same mistake that you're making with masks. You put it too low. Right? You put your design too low on a t-shirt, and the design's on your belly, not on your chest where it should be. You want to think the same thing about doing a mask. When you're doing a mask, you want to get it high up because you're better off to have the design on somebody's nose than underneath their chin. So it's a pretty simple concept. You're better off to go higher than lower almost any time. In my opinion, if you're going to make a mistake, it be up on the mask rather than down. So now that we know our placement's good, we can take this off. And we can go ahead and heat transfer on our first layer. Time for layer two. We're here at our Hotronix Fusion heat press, and this is a really cool heat press, by the way, for doing heat transfer vinyl, because this drawer slides out, so it's really easy to work with compared to a clamshell that is a little bit more popular because you're underneath the heat. So I'm out of the heat, it's not hot here. I've got my mask done. Now we're going to make our matching t-shirt. So we've got our transfer layered up here, taking a look at it, and I'll go ahead and I'll peel away what we're not going to press. We will go ahead and start with our Triton glitter.
and I often like pressing the glitter on the initial tack down press first, about 5 seconds, because when we go to add on our opaque layers, some of the transfer sheet, as you can see, will go over some of the glitter, and it's less likely to press in any lines as we put it under the heat press again, where if we would have done it the other way, you might be able to see some of the lines in that white. So we line this up, we'll press it on, and then in the very end, we'll do our final press where we do it for the full time. In the beginning here, we just do a quick tack down press for only just a couple seconds. There we go. Looks really good.
All right. Thanks for watching our customization of the VIT mask and the coordinating very important T-shirt, and a few takeaways on this. If you go to colemanandcompany.com, that's where you're going to be able to find the VIT mask and the very important T. These are really nice quality materials, and you can get matching sets, which is great if you want to have coordinating or matching colors. In addition to that, we used Triton Heat Transfer Vinyl, which you can also find on colemanandcompany.com. I'm going to highly recommend a product like that for decorating a really nice quality T-shirt. It's going to be soft, it's going to wash well, it's going to look really great, and the glitter is going to be a really great quality as well. So thank you very much for watching, and visit colemanandcompany.com and live chat with one of our pros if you need a hand.